Thank you, friends, for coming back to step number 2. Okay, I have my angular brush. I'm going to dab it into some white. Now, watch how easy this is going to be. You're going to go up, twist your brush, and you're going to come out this way. And what does that look like? Looks like a number 2, doesn't it? Then you're going to come out here. You're going to bring it up, just like its little tail. And then you're going to fill it in the body with some white. There you go. Making a swan so easy. Looks like the number 2 as we went around that. Okay, I'm going to make sure my brush has a little bit of that flatness. Okay, so now we're going to come in. Okay, this is the tip. Alright, just a little dab of that. There you go. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take a little bit of that black. Just a little. Nothing in life is that solid, right? So what we're going to do, like this one, I'm going to give it that little bit of a little deeper white in the color. You're going to come like this and go around like his chest. You're going to come up a little bit like that. There you go. You're giving him a little something. Oh boy, that's really looking beautiful, and I'm sure yours is too. Okay, this here is a pointer. Alright, we're going to dab that. Now we're going to come in with that tiny little black. We're going to roll it like this. Okay, we're going to give it that roll. And right about his eyes, it has that little bit of that black look. Now you're going to clean your brush. Okay, now you're going to take a little orange. You're going to roll your brush like that, okay? Because you just want it on the tip. Then you're going to come in, okay, right about there. Oh boy, I'm loving it already. Boy, oh boy. And what you might want to do to give it a little bit more of a feathered look, let's see, we can just come in with your angular brush and a little bit of that gray that we did already. And just come in. Here you go. Give a little bit, dab it for a little bit more texture. Oh, friends, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh, boy, I'm so happy. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to take a flat, okay, we can take this one here, your flatter brush if you'd like. We're going to dab some red. Okay, and we're going to come in right about there. You're going to dab that. Here's your little lily pond. And we're going to dab some little yellow with that. Make it interesting. Oh, that's really, really, really pretty. And then what we're going to do, take your whisk brush. I do like the line. Let me see. Oh, the lines. Okay. Let's brighten it right up. I'm going to dab a little white with that. Oh, yeah. There you go, a little white. And now we're going to take, let me see if I do it this way. A little red. with some white. Okay. Oh, there you go. Here's our flowers. Okay, and you wipe it off. How about we come in with a little yellow? Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty, friends. And if you don't want the flowers, you can always just come back in and take your green, maybe dab some white with that. Okay? And come back. We'll go a little higher up there. Okay. I'm just loving this. This is so beautiful. And if you want to come in and maybe just do it. There you go. Here. There's no errors in painting. If you don't like something, right? If you don't like it, that's fine. Let it dry. There you go. Like right here. Right, you know what? I think I'm just going to go more of the bushes. I'm showing you this how if you see something and you don't like it, it's okay. It's yours. You can make it any way you want. See how easy that was to make the swan? Remember, we went up like the number 2, come around and straight. Oh, the one thing we almost forgot to do. Take your angular brush, okay, like we did here. Okay, we almost forgot to do that. Mix it up with a little black and give that gray. So we want to just come in and drag it and make it a little, okay, now see what you're doing, you're making a shadow of the water. You can bring that right under if you want. And you'd kind of do the gray, break it up a little. Now he's got a little shadow. Friends, I don't know about you, but I had a wonderful time. So enjoy your swan. And as you keep making swans, make more in your painting if you want, okay? Thank you for tuning in. I had a wonderful, wonderful time. Thank you so much. And please tune in to another video. Bye-bye.